All right guys, welcome back to the channel. And behind me is this Chrysler minivan that I had to take on a road trip about 300 miles up and 300 miles back. And by the looks of it, you can see it is covered in bugs. So I'm putting something to the test. I do get sponsored or a discount myself for using Gtechniq. I love their products. They're awesome. I highly recommend them. But somebody, I had to buy this, by the way, at an auto parts store because I couldn't even see out of the windshield. It was so bad. I'll talk about how well that worked. But somebody told me that fabric softener sheets will do the good job of getting bugs off. Let's put them to the test.
This is Joe's Garage. This is Joe's Garage. Making it mine. Living the dream. Making it mine. Joe's Garage. Making it shine.
This section, we're going to use the Meguiars. You're going to spray it on. Let that sit for about 5 minutes. The Gtechniq product, which I happen to love, I've used before. If you've seen my other videos on the Corvette, this stuff works really good. You're just going to spray this on. Also let it sit for about, I don't know, 5 minutes. But let's try this, because I'm actually really curious to see, and I don't want to touch it with my bare hands, because if you know anything about fabric softener, it's not good for you to touch. It's also not good for you to use, so I don't want to get all over my hands. But supposedly this will get bugs off. Yeah, not really. I mean, you got to scrub, and I guess it does come off with my fingernail using it in there, but it also leaves a residue that, I don't know. If I mix it with the other stuff, it'll work really good. Yeah, I can't say I'm thoroughly impressed with the fabric softener. That was the one that I really wanted to see how well that did. That guy was convinced. No, I'm scrubbing. It's really not doing a super good job here. No. So we're going to say no to the fabric softener. Now, I'm going to get a rag. Let's wipe this down and hose it down. So it's been about 4 minutes. This is the Gtechniq area. This is the Meguiars. Again, I have no affiliation with Meguiar. I don't really care. I have orange and blue towels here. Get it? Pattern. Let's just try to rub and see what we can wipe off with this before we just hose it. Yeah, it's getting stuff off. It's actually not too bad. Okay. Yeah, that's actually working. Not hard. It doesn't come off like super easy, but yeah, it came off. Somewhat. I mean, it will definitely take some scrubbing, especially with the amount of crap that was on here. My God, did you see all those bugs? It's disgusting. And I don't want to hose it off yet. Let's try the Gtechniq side or section. Now, usually this is something you just hose off, but I will tell you, stuff pretty much just melts off. With a little bit of water, because I guess it was starting to dry out. And that comes right off. Let's try a little water here. Yeah, not too bad. There's some areas here you got to really scrub, but with a little elbow grease, it will come off. So the fabric softener left some residual residue, and that is no bueno. Overall, I will say the Meguiar's, which was on this part, and the center, which was the Gtechniq, both got all the bugs off. The Gtechniq was so much easier. I literally just had to wipe it, whereas that I had to scrub it. And this fabric softener did jack squat. So I'm gonna try to get it off the windshield before we return this rent-a-car. I feel bad returning it in worse shape we got it in, but whatever.
This is Joe's Garage. This is Joe's Garage. Making it mine. Living the dream. Making it mine. Joe's Garage. Making it shine.
I don't know if you could tell, it's drying, but for the amount of work that I did with the Gtechniq bug remover, I had barely any scrubbing. When I had the Meguiar's, I'm really scrubbing. The fabric softener, that was crap. The Gtechniq, and then I went over everything with it really quickly. I mean, it got it right off of the bumper, off of the windshield. When I tell you the windshield was so bad, the windshield wipers with windshield wiper fluid, went to a gas station with a squeegee, couldn't budge it with a squeegee. I know this is gonna sound weird. I even took a little bit of gasoline, poured that onto the windshield to see if that would get off. That didn't get it off. But the Gtechniq bug remover, look at that. I mean, that's freaking awesome. So, huge fan. If you have bugs on your car, or if you're gonna go on a long road trip, take a bottle of it with you, because the problem is the windshield got so covered that the visual ability to see was impaired, and so that can affect your driving. Luckily, I was able to get home safely. I was able to get it with the Meguiar's enough that I could get home. I mean, it was pretty much covered. But the Gtechniq, if I had had that with me, I didn't think to bring it, would have made this an absolute breeze. That, a little bit of water, and a microfiber towel, you're done. So use the code Joe10. Use the code that I'm gonna put below or in the description for Gtechniq to save yourself some money. I don't get anything out of it, but it'll track where you came from, and hopefully I can help send them guys some business, because that's freaking amazing. If you had any idea how hard that was on there, amazing. I'm really impressed. Oh, and like, share, subscribe. Tell your friends, share it with your mom, share it with your friends, share it with everybody you know, because this stuff is good, and my content, it helps me get it out there to more people. That's all.
This is Joe's Garage.